Start with initial AI training to program robot intelligence. Teach the robot to interact with objects and equipment. Train AI quickly by teaching how to recognize objects and situations. Easily create your robotics service with a set of actions that use the new learning. Let the robot perform the new service, even remotely using standard API protocol. The system continually monitors operational conditions and efficiency. Try and Robotics-as-a-Service can serve many uses. Interact with small items, reduce human risk, and monitor tasks. Interactions could include a tactile screen, button, double knob, swipe, and others. Perform tedious tasks meticulously that are usually prone to human error. Perform repetitive and tedious tasks like testing. Operate sequenced procedures. Perform a variety of tasks that require precision handling. Perform multidimensional operations. For example, simulate flight testing. Robotics-as-a-Service can perform these types of tasks and many more. To deploy IoT-enabled robotics capabilities without making heavy upfront investments, speak with one of our industry experts and visit us on capgemini.com.